What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I have the new Revlon and Megan Thee Stallion Hot Girl. Mind you, I wanted to get all of them, but I couldn't, okay? So I was only able to get one because they had sold out so fast. But I did get me one. And in here, you have the Revlon and Megan Thee Stallion. Do you see the anime? Do you see the anime? I'm an anime chick, okay? It comes with some lashes, honey. And what is else in here? Oh, and it got a little gloss, and it's called The Gloss. So, honey, we gonna play in this, okay? Grab you some wine, and we gonna jump into it. So, I actually bought some new products. I got this new e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream, and we gonna use this for our moisturizing and see what it's hitting for. What's been going on, Bill? What you been doing? It's been a long week for me. I'll trade it back, baby. It's been a very long week, but I made it. I mean, come on, God, we made it through. I mean, we here. You dig me? Next, we're going to be jumping into primer. Now, I'm going to keep it the same primer. Y'all already know I've been using my Laura Mercier Per Canvas primer. Where is it? This primer right here most definitely gives my foundation all that it needs to be flawless. And I'm definitely going to be jumping into some new foundation today. So I said, why not make sure I put on this? You know what I mean? I just rub this in real good. It just, oof, gotta make sure that primer really gets into your skin. You know what I'm saying? Like, it got to really get in there. So next we're going to be jumping into foundation. We're going to be jumping into this new Morphe. This is not actually new, but it's new to me because when I wanted to grab this, they didn't have no more in my color. This is actually the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. This is also in the color Rich 30. So I'm gonna use my favorite little brush and we're gonna see, ooh, giving, what do you think? What is it giving? What is it doing? Is it giving skin? Is it giving skin to you? Because it's giving it to me, okay? Put a little bit, I don't do a lot on my forehead anyway, but oh yes, okay, I like that. Moving right along, you guys, we're going to be jumping into concealing these eyes, and for concealing the eyes, I'm going to still keep it like I usually do with the Charlotte Tilbury. You know I already love that Charlotte Tilbury, okay? This is in the color 13 Dark Fonts. So why the other day, y'all, I was doing my makeup and why I tried to do my whole entire makeup with my hands. Now, I've been watching Sandra Deluxe for so many years that I just did it, and I did a really good job. So on one of my videos, I'm definitely going to show you guys how I did my whole face. Now, I didn't do my whole face. Once I got to contour, I ain't gonna lie, I stopped. I was like, shit, this tired. I was tired as hell. Oh my goodness, my hands was just a hot mess, okay? It was real cool though. I did a pretty good job. I mean, I didn't do too bad, you know? We're going to be jumping into the Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer, and this is actually in the color Butterscotch. A little goes a long way with this concealer, and I just love it. And as you can see, I'm layering same way. I have the same routine. You know, it's nothing new on how I apply my makeup. Lately, I just been doing my makeup, just chilling and just keeping it the same. We're gonna let this lay just a little bit, and we're gonna jump into contour, and we're gonna jump into the Bobbi Brown. Y'all know, we just keeping it chill. So I'm just gonna blend this in, always like blending my edges out first. That is the key to my flawless blending. Take your time with brushes. You definitely have to take your time. I'm gonna just blend the rest of this out. Now, since I have that blended, I'm going to be jumping into my Laura Mercier, touching up under eye real quick because I just forgot, honey. If I don't, baby, I will definitely crease up a storm. Set it in. I don't know why, but I always do my nose contour last. Now I'm going to jump into some Cocoa Naughty, and we're gonna hurry up and touch this up. And then while that is baking, we're gonna jump right into eyes. And thank you for sticking this long with me, honey, because I hope you guys definitely be paying attention on how I blend and things of that nature, because I definitely want to help you guys. Is this gonna be a good eyebrow day? Is this gonna be a good eyebrow day? We just want to know. Now we're going to jump into some P. Louise, Rumor 5 and Rumor 6. Y'all already know these are my faves when I'm ready to do some eyeshadow, honey, okay? All right, so now we're going to be jumping into this. Oh my God, I'm so hyped. Say, I don't want to talk. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really about. Ooh, okay. Hot Girl Sunset, I really like this, okay. So this is the colors right here. All right, so we're gonna jump into Sunset Season. And I'm just gonna take this and I'm just going to put this in my crease. Just darken my crease up real good. It is giving pigment, okay? Like, this is definitely my new brown, period. Dust this real good under my eye like that. Like, very creamy. Now, since I have that down, we're gonna jump into some sizzle, and we're gonna sizzle this brow bone. I'm going to jump into Afterglow. It's like a bronze, and I just want to lay this like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, let's try Fairy. Ooh, you see that? Oh yeah, that's like a copper. You see that copper in there? Yeah. I want to try real hot. Get me hot, baby. Ooh, they go real hot. You see hot. That look good. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but it's definitely giving what it's supposed to be giving to me, baby. Okay, since I tried that side on the other eye, I'm gonna try this Stunner. We're gonna try Stunner, and we're gonna lay that on the outer part. You see Stunner? Stunner is giving purple. No, that was on Fire. We're gonna jump into Stunner now. This is Stunner. Ooh, the #1 Stunner. Yeah, baby. And now we're gonna jump into, let's jump into Blaze. Look at that, that looks so nice. It's very soft eyes, both of them. Since that we have that down really quick, we're gonna jump into this Black Base by P. Louise. And we're gonna also do a wing, okay? All right, now since I have that down, I'm gonna mix Dusk Till Dawn and Get Lit. And I'm gonna just put this right here in my inner corner. All right, now I'm going to be jumping into the Big Mood, okay, mascara. And this is by e.l.f. I'm just gonna jump into this and I'm gonna just lay on some lash. Oh, these pull your lashes out, baby. Yes, come on, e.l.f. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to real quick jump into the lashes, honey. Let's see what these lashes is hitting for. Lord Jesus, please let the lashes be hitting for something. Well, let me find out the lashes is hit. Let's see what the, ooh, these are pretty. So my lash just came off, so we're going to just let that sit for a minute and we're going to jump into Dusk Till Dawn and use this for a highlight. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Use this right for a highlight. What are you saying? That looks so freaking good. Like, put my lash back on. And for lip, we're going to be jumping into the Trendsetter. This is still my fave, will always be. Okay, so this is actually just like a lip gloss. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take this and just put this like all on the lip. For blush, we're not gonna really do too. We're just gonna take the Mocha Mami, bronze the face just a little bit. This is what I do when I don't really feel like blushing too much. I just wanna bronze, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna do too much blush. I just go like that. Ooh, what? Come on, Megan. Yes, Megan. These eyelashes are the one. All right, let me get dressed and then we won't come back. So my boo, this is the final look. You know I'm really feeling this look. I love this look so much. Like, I just love Megan. I'm just so happy. I just love this palette. Like, she really did her thing. You feel me? Like, I was able to highlight my face and all with this palette. So I'm really feeling this look. So if you was feeling this look too, boo, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you waiting for, boo. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit that notification bell button too, because I do not want you to miss my upcoming videos, because I do be posting every week. But with that being said, for my boos, thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. You see this skin, you see this eye, you know what I mean? Like, I'm just really proud of myself. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.